In addition to the price, Samsung is offering a unique perk to Galaxy Z Fold 5 users, and we have some exclusive knowledge on the pre-order discount. We may be receiving some fantastic pre-order discounts since Samsung is prepared to fight with Google for sales of the Z Fold 5. In addition to formally announcing the Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5, Samsung is also giving us a $50 Samsung credit if you reserve your Fold 5 or Flip 5 right now. However, things don't end there since Samsung will be giving us even more with the pre-order discounts for the Z Fold 5 and Flip 5. Samsung is now having trouble with the design of inexpensive phones since Google released the Pixel 4, so they are attempting to lower the price of the Z Fold 5 to make it more competitive against other budget smartphones on the market, particularly the Pixel 4. One of the nicest upgrades to Samsung One UI 5.1.1 since the release of the S23 Ultra, the new software for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 includes changes to stock applications, flex mode, and also the animation is getting better. The updated software, which will be based on Android 13, will also provide improved overall user experiences on the Fold 5. Thankfully, it is now known that Samsung will employ a new water drop engine for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, making the device flat and foldable like other portable phones on the market. However, there are a few things lacking from this new hinge design. In the beginning, we may not see the same flex mode as Z Fold 5. This time around, though, it will be different and it won't be like a Fold 4. All of the prior US Samsung devices have a freestop hinge that allows the flex mode on earlier generations. To fix this, Samsung is releasing software upgrades for the Fold 5. Even though the Fold 5 has a redesigned water drop hinge, the crease is a little contentious. Like the Fold 4's, the Fold 5's crease will resemble that on that vehicle. Although the difference, which is just 15%, is hardly perceptible, creases are a given when purchasing a cheap phone, whether it be a Pixel or a Samsung, and they won't disappear anytime soon. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.